Alright you guys, it is 1:40 in the morning. I'm packing up my things, just finished up, and that's right, by the look of the title, I'm headed off to Barcelona. I'm super excited. I leave tomorrow. I just wanted to get my things packed up. I have work in the morning. After that, I'm just gonna come straight home, pick up my things, and then head straight to the airport. I should be getting to the airport around 7:55. So this will be the beginning of my Barcelona series. I'm gonna be gone for a month. I plan on going to other places. I hope you continue watching and you travel along with me and see what kind of fun, adventure, or who knows what can really happen. But the only way you can find out is by watching. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. Come along with me.
Yeah.
Alright you guys, got through TSA. I'm getting to my gate. I'm almost heading out. Let's go.
Dejando libre los pasillos, gracias.